I love this place so much. It's in Gainesville, Florida. It's the Sweetwater Preserve. I'm here just to have some one-on-one time with nature and God and the gators. I hate my hair. Hate my nails. I'm just trying to vent. Not vent. I'm just trying to be. Man, it's hot. I think it's like. Do you see the sweat? And I'm just sitting here, and I'm drowning in sweat. But I'm just trying to get my mind, free my mind from negative thinking, basically. Clear my mind. I just want to clear my mind. Just want to clear my mind. Moving from Gainesville closer to my family. They're down around Orange County and Orlando. I'm just gonna get up and keep walking around here. There's even a little bench, so cute. This place is so cool. It's pretty. I love the trees. That's why I moved to Gainesville, Florida, because if you go south, it's known for palm trees. But if you go the further north you go, you stumble into other sorts of trees, more like the north part of the U.S. You see more, bigger trees. The trees around here are still small compared to other parts of the country, but they're bigger than anything you would see, anything further south of Gainesville. You know what's on my bucket list, actually? The redwood forest in California. You can still hear civilization. Moving next week, or this week I'm packing, next weekend I'm moving officially. And bye Gainesville. But for now, we are here. This is literally therapy for me. And I totally advise you to go for a hike or a walk in nature. The farther away from the sounds of cars and people you can get, the better. The water looks crazy right now because it rained. But when it doesn't rain, it is crystal clear, so pretty. And that's a pretty thing about northern Florida. You're gonna see a lot of springs. Okay, let me just show you. I hate my hair right now. I wish I had long, luscious, voluminous, 18-inch hair down the crack of my booty. It would be so beautiful. Extensions, one day maybe. I'm on a budget, okay? I'm on a budget, and I got priorities. I gotta pay the bills. I got 2 kids. You don't know what the struggle of a single parent is, especially when you have like mental health things you're fighting. It's a little bit of a challenge. And when you've had a 360 change in your income. But anyways, I think I'm lost. Okay, this is the number 3, and it says trail there, but I don't want to go that way because that way would lead me to more noise from the cars. That's not what I want right now. I want to get away from the cars. I just need to walk and vent and be out in nature. Really, it does help so much. Thank you, God. And the crickets, they sound so cute right now. Ooh, more water over here. But so yeah, Florida. If you'd give me a state that I would live in, it would not be Florida. I'm just in Florida because this is where my family lives, and I want to be being a single parent, like I was saying earlier, is not easy, and so having family close by is a big support system, and it means a lot to me, at least. And I think it's very important for you to have if you have family, then be close to that family if you can. You know, it helps a lot. It's just a stick. I thought it was a gator, but it's not a gator. What was I saying? Jesus. You know what? I wasn't. If I don't remember, it wasn't that important. It was. I was talking about my family, okay? But oh yeah, I was gonna show you the water again. Ooh, big spider! Whoa! What? Do you see the spider? That's a big one. Who knows about spiders? What type of spider is that? Do you see it? I can't even see it because I'm just pointing the camera out there, and I see two actually. I'm such a nerd, sorry. Let's get away from the spider. And look at the sign. What does it say? Okay, so I'm about to turn and go back up. This is my last little stop. I'm not in Hollywood. I'm in the woods.